In this video, we'll walk you through the product presentation, setup, and water filter replacement of the AQUAdem 40. The AQUAdem 40 is an external device that you can easily connect to your autoclave. It comes with 2 filter cartridges, and a user manual is included. It also offers 2 connection options. On the one hand, it can be used to fill the autoclave. On the other hand, you can connect a water gun, allowing you to spray distilled water immediately. This provides more efficient pre-cleaning and ensures a smoother workflow. Place the AQUAdem 40 next to the autoclave. Insert the adapter for the hose into the designated position. Then, feed the hose into the adapter. For the first connection option, you can use the faucet directly as the water supply. Screw the extension piece onto the faucet. Then, attach the adapter to the extension piece. Finally, insert the hose into the adapter. As a second connection option, the adapter can be connected directly to the water line. Finally, insert the hose into the adapter. Set the fill water setting to on to test the water filling manually. Otherwise, the autoclave will fill the water automatically. First, make sure that the fill water setting is set to on and that the faucet is turned off. Insert the key from bottom to top. Turn the filter cartridges with the key initially to loosen the connection. Then, you can continue turning the filter cartridge by hand. When inserting the new cartridge, make sure the flat gasket is facing upwards. Screw the filter cartridge in by hand first, and then tighten it with the key.